I hope all you guys are safe and sound and taking care of yourselves. What's happening, people? What's up? What's up? What's up? So I shall add Suki now. As promised, it's 5:30. Baby, come. So I'm all set to add Surbi, for which I should know how to.
How are you?
Superb. How are you? What's happening?
You tell me, are you working out?
Yeah, I've come to the terrace.
That's
Great.
great.
11th floor, na, so we come walking up. I do a little bit lunges, little bit squats, basic stuff.
Even I've been doing basic stuff.
You must be doing your yoga, no?
Yoga and the stair thing, of course. I also go up and down.
But I've been like eating as usual rubbish.
I think you are not working out. You're helping Rohit in working out.
More like that, but little bit even I do. And I feel something is better than nothing.
That's true. I agree. You are glowing.
You are glowing.
Doing absolutely nothing. Putting
Nothing.
like 10 face packs every day.
वही है, taking care of ourselves.
I know, but मैं कुछ नहीं करती हूँ ना, so then I just ऐसे ही कुछ भी लगा लिया. Even if I'm having a papaya, I just put papaya on my face. I'm
And what
cutting
else?
a
You must be
tomato.
cooking also, na?
Yeah.
Even I'm trying my hand at cooking.
How's it?
Yeah, मजा आ रहा है.
हाँ.
New side of myself. Interesting. But
What are you
really
watching
bored
these
also.
days? Oh, I can imagine.
I'm watching this show called Self-Made.
Self-Made. Today only I have started. I've finished just one episode. It's really nice.
And it's based on a true. It's interesting. Yeah, it's based on a true story.
On a true story. It's really, really nice. Yeah, that actor. There's this film called The Hell. Watch that film. This actor was there also. She's there. Yeah.
Say hi to Mowgli and
Hi, Mowgli के साथ में
आ जाए.
Hi. Hi, Mowgli.
Hi. Say hi.
Okay. Hi, Rohit.
What's up? What's up?
Set for your workout?
Yeah, just about to start. Oh, this is your life.
Yeah.
Such an inspiration, Rohit.
He is totally.
But good. Have fun. You should respond to your people.
Yeah. Hi guys. Hi everybody.
Hi, guys. Saying hi. Somebody saying hi to Mowgli also.
Hi Sunima. Hi everyone.
Hey, Nita. Hi, Jyoti. Hi. I don't know. Okay, he's saying hi to Rohit. Rohit is gone. Yeah.
Rohit is gone.
Yes. So tell me, what did you do the whole day?
So obviously we've been sleeping late watching TV. So we've been sleeping late, which means we're waking up late. So that is one good thing to know. I wake up at 1-2 से पहले नहीं.
क्या बात कर रही हो, really?
हाँ. फिर lunch बनाते 4. Literally we're having lunch at 4ish. And then 5:36 we come up on the terrace for half an hour. Then again go down and watch TV. And then you download this app called House Party.
No, I didn't.
Download it.
क्या है?
So multiple people can chat, like 8 people, 9 people together. We play housey and also we'll add you also.
But that you can do on WhatsApp also.
In WhatsApp you can talk 4 people at a time.
बाबा group पे. अच्छा, this is the video chat.
Live chat. Yeah.
House party.
House party. It's quite cool.
Really?
Yeah. So download it. We play housey. They have these interesting drawing games and all time pass. So download it. Today we play housey live.
Also early.
Sorry, what?
I've been sleeping very early, like early as in like 11:30.
So early. And then what else do you do during the day?
I clean. I cook
That is
and
so
take care
easy.
of my plants, and then of course a lot of, like, I'm so engrossed most of the times watching stuff that I don't even realize about time. कि मतलब time कितना जल्दी बीत जा रहा है.
है ना? But
yeah,
I don't know, some days ऐसा लग रहा है कि time बीत ही नहीं रहा है because it's so
because we are
boring
not
sometimes.
used to it. Every time we are working, we are out. It's
Yeah.
और बताओ, now since I've seen you, I'm missing you even more.
I'm missing you too. It's been so long.
That's true.
But we'll
Abhi,
plan now.
I was having this live chat with Bhavna from Pink Villa. So she said that Anita से बात हो रही थी और Anita ने बोला that I really miss my time in Nagin 3. I had a great time with Surbhi.
See, Nagin 4 is also fun, but our thing was different, yeah.
Of course.
Amazing fun.
I know. कौन अभी Anita? अच्छा, hello Surbhi. Everybody's saying hi to you.
Hi guys, everybody. We love you guys. Thank you for showing up. And hope you guys are taking care of yourselves.
I know, man. Stay home and stay safe. Seriously.
Correct.
People are saying missing you both. We also are missing.
We are missing each other and we are missing you all.
That's true. And it's like I also miss working now with you.
Hannah? Yeah. Let's hope after this we get a show again together and.
Oh yes, and then we rock. एकदम से shoot ही. So it's like how much our life as an actor, हम कितना वो shoot पे जाने का, ready होने का, इस सब की कितनी आदत हो जाती है कि now I'm like what to do, क्या करूँ?
Yeah, true.
है ना?
ऐसे लगता है that something's missing, but I guess it's important right now to stay home.
It's important. It's the only option. Like we don't have anything else to do.
Yeah.
Prevention is better than cure. So we just should.
I just hope that I was thinking my birthday tak sab sort out ho jayega, but I doubt.
When is your birthday?
14th April.
रोहित का तो अभी गया ना?
अभी गया.
14th April तक नहीं होगा अभी.
नहीं होगा. वही. तो celebrate करेंगे एक बार ये खत्म हो जाए. Maybe another 2 months.
Oh yes. Now we have like 2 parties pending.
Yeah.
Rohit's and yours.
Yeah.
So what do you want to do? घर पे chill. So it's gonna be like just another day.
Yeah, like maybe Rohit will cook for me.
Oh.
I'll make him cook for me.
It's my birthday. I don't want to do anything.
Yeah.
So yeah. It's quite windy outside. Huh?
It is really nice. Our terrace though is really nice.
Hey. Cool. Everybody's saying hi. Hi guys. We love
Hi,
you.
guys.
Seriously. It was just a random plan with Anita. We were talking and then we were like, let's go live.
Yeah.
And कल ही हम बात कर रहे थे. I'm like, चल कल ही live चलते हैं.
I
And since I promised them yesterday that I'll go live today.
but we'll plan this again.
Yes.
We can do some tutorial or something like that live. Something interesting. We'll think of something. Even guys, y'all can. I'll post a picture with me and Survi. Y'all give us ideas. What tutorial we should do.
Yes.
We'll do like maybe makeup or hair together. Something interesting. Something fun. है ना?
Done.
We can create something.
Makeup,
so guys, y'all. Huh?
हाँ, done. चलेगा.
So guys, I'll post a picture.
Or maybe Anita.
Cooking.
Like some cooking also, some questions also, like if they just fun questions, like cooking also I'm fine with, but anything just ask them for suggestions, like what should we do.
So I'll post a picture, give your suggestions down, and
Huh.
we'll come up with like a interesting live session again soon, maybe in like 4-5 days. We'll plan
Huh.
something nicely and do something.
Done. Oh, people have
And
started already. Cooking ऐसे लिख के आ रहा है.
कर सकते हैं cooking session.
ठीक है.
You can
Done.
cook, I can make Maggie.
Wow. And people would really love to know finally कि मैगी बनती
मैगी
कैसे है.
बनती कैसे है?
It's such a mystery. अभी तक किसी को आता नहीं है मैगी बनाना.
पर परफेक्ट
अनीता,
मैगी
आपको-
बनाना एक टास्क है. मुझे आता है.
कौन सी मैगी
शायद.
बनाना अनीता? कौन सी
Perfect
मैगी
मैगी.
बनाना?
नॉर्मल
Oh, you
मैगी
make
लेकिन
perfect
वो
Maggi.
परफेक्शन, करेक्ट ग्रेवी, अमाउंट ऑफ ग्रेवी, करेक्ट मसाला.
अनीता,
See?
really?
मैगी
Are you
बनाना
very
आर्ट है. आर्ट.
Art है, art. Everything we do right now is an art, seriously.
Actually, I can make Sindhi curry, and you can make
Which
dessert.
you have promised me the entire season of Nagin 3 that I'll get Sindhi curry for you. And till date, I'm just waiting for that Sindhi curry. You liar! तुम आज तक नहीं मेरे को लेकर आई हो.
नहीं नहीं, मैं अभी बनाऊंगी, and I'll find a way to send it also safely. अगर मैं send कर सकूं या कुछ देखते
नहीं
हैं,
हो सकता.
है ना?
But हाँ, tutorial में कर सकते हैं और maybe जब this situation gets better, then
Better.
तब खाएंगे हम.
Cool
But you
as well.
actually know how to cook?
Yeah, basics
Sindhi
like
curry?
not major stuff.
नहीं
Sindhi
बाबू
curry
Sindhi curry.
आती आती.
अच्छा. हाँ, तो ठीक है वो खाएंगे.
Done है.
सही है.
वो बनाएंगे. You can make some dessert.
I
You
can
can
make
make
halwa.
खीर. Oh, halwa. Yeah.
हाँ, हलवा, खीर, anything actually.
Done.
Oh wow. It'd be
Good
amazing,
idea.
right?
Yeah, it'll
Wow.
be damn cool.
पंजाबी वो जो कड़ा प्रसाद होता है जो गुरुद्वारे में मिलता
हाँ,
है.
yum.
Yum,
But-
Anita, you're not gonna get it.
Could I get it for it? I'll also get you to send me all the ingredients.
हाँ, ठीक है.
I'll send you all the ingredients of Sindhi curry, and
हाँ.
we'll try to make what we learned from each other, है ना?
Done. And then we'll post a picture of that also. People are saying hi, Bella and Vish.
Hi guys.
Shit
Halwa.
यार.
People are excited about the halwa.
हम पर भी ध्यान दे दो please, okay? They are like you are talking to each other only.
Hi,
Toby, हाँ.
Kevi.
Hi, Toby. Hi, Kevi. Kevi, look at Kevi. Kevi also goes live every day by 6 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
And now he's saying goals.
We're perfect. We're perfect. We're doing very well.
Oh yes, we are chilling. That's all
Going.
there's to do, you know.
Hi, Bella and Vish is saying.
I know, man. Hi,
Hi
Bella
guys,
and Vish.
love you guys. Thank you.
My God. You know, people जो ऐसा देखते हैं ना, they get so engrossed in the show that, you know, उनको genuinely ऐसा लगता है that we are not friends and Vish और Bella की दुश्मनी है or something like that.
I don't think
No.
so. अभी social media के जरिए I think people
No,
know that.
I'll tell you what. So, my mom is our house help in Punjab, okay? She comes one day and she says to my mom कि आप बता दो अपनी बेटी को कि ये सब विश करा रही है. मेरे को तो विश पहले दिन से ही नहीं अच्छी लगती थी. मुझे पता ही था वही सब करेगी. She was so against it and she really thought that I don't know anything. She actually told
So
my mother कि आप please अपनी बेटी को बताओ कि ये विश कर रही है, विश कर रही है. I was like, okay.
So cute.
I know, उनको वो seriously यार ऐसा लगता है that this is actually happening, you know.
We'll ये वो तो कुछ innocent लोग होते हैं.
हाँ,
But
who are
I
not
thanks
active
to
on
social media अभी थोड़ा सा
That's true.
they realize that, you know, it's acting and
It's
how-
acting and it's not true, yeah.
yeah.
That's true.
बाकी your health and everything fine?
Oh yes, 10 on 10.
Your family in Punjab?
They are fine. Home arrest, but yeah, they are fine.
Home arrest तो सभी का है.
I know. I've been just talking to my mom even more now because अगर थोड़ी बहुत चटनी भी बनानी है, then I don't trust YouTube or any other tutorials. Like I asked my mom, you know. So then my mom keeps complaining about my father कि वो बिल्कुल help नहीं करवा रहे हैं, वो कुछ काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. Like मम्मी get over it. मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती उसमें if he's not helping you at all.
But I think in a way we are more connected to our people via FaceTime and all of that. Because,
Exactly.
है ना?
So that's what mummy
like
भी
I
बोल
also
रही
talk.
थी.
My mom stays 2 minutes away, but I FaceTime
Then-
her at least 2 to 3 times a day.
है ना? Wow. And now like you know मैं ऐसा FaceTime करके मैं और mom साथ में cook कर रहे होते हैं. You know, she's cooking her thing, I'm cooking my thing. And then we tell each other ये कर लो, ऐसा बीच में ये मसाला डाल दो and all. Fine. Are you posing right now?
I'm just seeing myself.
Pretty as ever.
Look at you. But let's do a cooking video soon, है ना?
Soon. ठीक है.
Plan करते हैं.
Plan करते हैं, and everybody who has joined.
Thank you for
Thank you so
joining.
much, and we love you, and we will do that cooking thing or whatever
Cooking
you suggest
video
us very
soon.
soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give your suggestions on a picture that we are going to post right now.
Yeah.
And we love you guys. Stay home, stay safe, take care of your families, your loved ones, and stay fit.
All right, I love you, Anita.
Love
Bye,
you,
everybody.
Sari. See you. So I'll call you. We'll plan the cooking video nicely and we'll shoot. ठीक है?
Done.
Bye.
Bye, baby. Bye.